Yung mga bata.
Ano? Wow, wait.
Wow.
Wait.
One more. Ooh.
Oh, ang gaganda ng ganun ko lang.
I haven't done this in a while. Take it away from me.
Shame. The shame. Shame. Tongit. What is tongit? Tongit. Haha, sabi lang. Wow!
This specific.
Do you want me to help you?
Thank you for considering.
No, I should have kept that.
Kay Clark, bakit?
Life is good.
Yung
I will
alliance
not
nila
be-
sa Uno, pero tinakwil ni Clark.
Gag.
I will not be killing myself. It's like I can put this.
Yeah.
Landmark.
Wala.
Huh?
Dam. Oh, ang bilis.
Combo.
Combo. Super
Ayan ba yung
combo.
nilalaro natin kanina?
Huh?
Naglaro rin kaya kanina. Yun pala yun.
Yung mga music ni Carlo Fine Arts UP. Fantasy ka na naman. Pero fictional lang fantasy niya talaga.
Yung yung...
Japanese. Tapos
Oo, yung Japanese.
Pigilan mo na yung fantasy mo.
Bruh.
Fiction lang.
Umasa talaga ako nun. Ang ganda-ganda ng story, tapos fictional. Tangina.
Yung alin?
Di ba ba alam yun?
Tapos may mga kalokohan ng citizen sa Reddit, mga confession na puro kalokohan. Sabi namin nila, mas totoo pa yung case namin sa Reddit.
Parang sa atrium kung totoo ba siya o hindi.
Resumption of the register.
Nag-register pa na lang sa raffle.
Are you kidding? Yeah, of course. Wait, how do you
Bagay.
how do you write?
How do you write?
No, because you have to put your signature.
Ayun, cute!
It's begun to everywhere you go. Take a look at the fountain. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver rains of gold. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the honey that will be on your own. lang yung lang natin, magkakaroon ito sa walang hangin.